Tired of throwing darts at a board, hoping an affiliate product sticks? What if you could know, before you even start, exactly what angles will hit big with your audience? In this video, we are diving deep into a game-changing method that will completely transform how you approach affiliate marketing. Forget the endless guesswork and wasted effort. I'm going to show you how AI prompts can unearth winning affiliate angles so fast, it'll feel like cheating. We'll reveal the exact prompts and strategies you need to stop promoting products nobody cares about and start making sales that actually count. For years, affiliate marketers have struggled with a universal problem: market research. It's a slow, grueling process of scanning trends, competitor analysis, and pure gut feeling. You launch a campaign, pour hours into content creation, and then, crickets. Or worse, you find out you're promoting the same old thing as everyone else, blending into the noise. This isn't just frustrating, it's a massive drain on time and money. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, blindfolded. But what if you had a superpowered magnet to find that needle? That's where AI comes in. Imagine asking a smart AI to analyze market data, customer reviews, and even psychological triggers to tell you, hey, for this product, your audience really cares about saving time, but your competitors are all talking about features. Focus on time-saving benefits. That's the power we are unlocking. We are talking about crafting prompts that ask AI to act as your ultimate market analyst, customer psychologist, and competitive spy, all rolled into one. It can pinpoint hidden desires, untapped pain points, and unique benefits no one else is highlighting. You're not just guessing anymore, you're leveraging advanced algorithms to understand exactly what your audience needs to hear to click that purchase button. This isn't about AI replacing your creativity, it's about amplifying it, giving you the insights to craft truly irresistible offers. The key is knowing what to ask. Don't just say, "Give me affiliate angles." That's like asking for food when you're hungry. Instead, you need specific, targeted prompts. For example, tell the AI, as an affiliate marketer promoting product name for target audience, what are 5 unique, high-converting angles that highlight specific pain point or desire? Or even better, analyze customer reviews for product name and identify 3 common frustrations users have that this product solves, then suggest an affiliate angle for each. The AI crunches massive amounts of data, sifts through hundreds of reviews and competitor ads, and spits out actionable, unique angles tailored for your specific audience. It's like having an entire market research team at your fingertips, giving you the unfair advantage you've always wanted. So, stop waiting for inspiration to strike or copying what everyone else is doing. Use these AI prompts to find those winning affiliate angles instantly. And if you want to see exactly how to implement these prompts step by step, make sure to check out this video right here.